The Nanda Dynasty. The Nanda Dynasty was an ancient Indian dynasty that ruled over the Magadha region from approximately the 5th century BCE to the 4th century BCE, prior to the establishment of the Mauryan Empire. The Nanda Dynasty is considered the first recorded empire in Indian history. The founder of the Nanda Dynasty was Mahapadma Nanda, who emerged as a powerful ruler and usurped the throne of Magadha from the ruling Shishunaga dynasty. Under Mahapadma Nanda's rule, the dynasty expanded its territory and became a prominent political power in northern India. The Nanda dynasty's reign was characterized by strong central administration and efficient governance. He introduced various administrative reforms and established a well-organized bureaucracy to manage the affairs of the empire. The empire was divided into administrative units called janpadas, which were further divided into districts. The Nanda rulers focused on economic prosperity and implemented policies to promote agriculture and trade. They encouraged irrigation projects and developed infrastructure to enhance economic activities. They also maintained a large and powerful army to protect the empire and expand its influence. However, despite their initial successes, the Nanda dynasty faced challenges towards the end of their rule. The rise of Chandragupta Maurya and his alliance with Chanakya, the advisor and strategist, led to the downfall of the Nandas. Chandragupta Maurya's military campaign against the Nandas ultimately resulted in their defeat and the establishment of the Mauryan Empire. It is important to note that information about the Nanda dynasty is primarily derived from ancient Indian texts and historical accounts, such as Buddhist and Jain scriptures, as well as accounts by Greek historians like Megasthenes. However, due to the limited availability of sources, our understanding of the Nanda dynasty remains somewhat incomplete.